welcome back to Sparkle's Way. And yes, Sparkle is my real name. How you guys doing? Hope everything is great. It's almost summertime. I'm looking all summery. I'm so sorry, guys. I've been so busy. Haven't been able to post in about a week and a half. My kids' birthdays fall like one right after another each month. So I've just been swamped with, work, being a parent. So I really haven't had much time. But I'm really trying to get back on track and get back on that grind. So wish me luck. Really hope you guys are enjoying all my videos. Again, I'm so open to comments and trying new things. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. So today, as you can see, I have a lovely Amazon bag here. A box, sorry, not bag. If you know me, I'm really not a tech savvy person. I really don't like ordering things online because you don't always get what you ordered or what you anticipated it would be, the quality, the quantity, and everything. And I know on Amazon they describe what you're getting, but I mean, a couple of times I was a little disappointed. It was smaller than I thought. Even though they do the measurements, it was just not the quality I paid for, if you know what I'm saying. Mind you, there's a lot of cool shit on there, and I'm sure many people are gonna be like, you better not talk shit about Amazon because they have like a return-free policy, which is good, but also really bad for the environment. Like, I've watched a lot of documentaries where they're just storing a bunch of return stuff into this huge warehouse, and it's just sitting there, which really pisses me off. So I don't order there very frequently, but there are certain things that I can't find at the stores, which there is what's in this box. So in my other videos, I try different foods from different places, and I was looking around on different depanneurs and trying to find cool snacks to chomp on and tell you what I think. But Amazon has so much variety of different snacks and different culture foods that it's one click away. And I've been driving around, especially with the price of gas lately. I've been just driving around trying to find. So this is much more convenient. But when I got it, I lifted it up. I was like, oh, cool. It's like my stuff. Because I got like 3 different boxes. I picked this one up. I'm like, what is in there? Because I ordered a bunch of stuff, like uniform tops and stuff. And I'm like, what is this? That was in this huge box. This in here. Are you serious? Like, you couldn't have put it in a smaller one, like half its size, or even in a bag? Like, it's not something that, I could throw this in the air and it's not gonna, crumble or whatever. That, I was really upset. That is so not eco-friendly at all. Very disappointed. And they even put, these things in there, and I'm like, it's snacks, but whatever. Whatever. But I was pretty disappointed. Also, when I seen the bag, I was like, oh my God, it's so much smaller than I thought. And again, I know they describe what you're getting and how big it is and blah, blah, blah. But I mean, look at the picture. That's advertisement at its finest, right? You're like, whoa, it looks big. The tubes look huge. This from this. This is why I like to see what I'm buying before I do. I was a little disappointed by that. So, but besides the point, let me stop rambling like I usually do. So today I'm going to be trying Japanese snacks, just different ones. They just put a bunch of different kinds of stuff in here. So let's see. Oh. So there's a little fish on there. I'm guessing it tastes like fish. And okay, everything's gonna be a surprise, guys, because I mean, the instructions are in Japanese. Okay, cool. I can't wait. Oh, look at this one. He's so cute. The little piggy. Oh my gosh, there's actually a lot, but it's a lot smaller than I just thought it would be. Okay, he's cute too. They have like beautiful illustrations. Like, it's insane. So colorful. Hello Kitty. Oh, look at these bags. Tell me how you got not tell me like that's adorable. They even got like games in the back. They got like tic-tac-toe and stuff like that, and I guess they're shaped as pandas. Okay. For one little thing, that's a waste of plastic. Ooh, I think I've tried these before. Rice snacks. I'm sure most of you have too. They're really good. Okay. Little stars kind of thing. They look hard. Okay, this one. I'm not sure. I think it's like another rice cake, I'm guessing. Oh my, it's in English! Chocolate chip cookie, cocoa, country mom. Cool, cool. Another one of these. Just calling them these and stuff. Oh, we need a Pooh Bear. It looks like a marshmallow. Okay, I think I'm only gonna do half of the bag. And then my next video, I'll do another half. Because actually, there's quite a bit. Actually, quite a bit. Okay, I want to start with this one because I have like 3 of them. And I'm so curious of what they are. Oh. Okay, there's a fish. There's a fisherman on it with the crab kind of cutting the thing. So I'm guessing it's going to taste like lobster. It's like a fish cheese puff. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's a cheese. It's a fish cheese puff. I mean, it's a fish puff thing. I don't even know what to call it. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not the best. I'm gonna try these little panda crackers, I'm assuming, and they're shaped like little panda heads. Let's see. Oh, they're big. Oh, it's broken. Look at me saying you can just throw it up in the air. Look, with that huge box and the bubble wrap, my panda cookie got broke. Like, it's all in pieces. It broke. Okay. Oh, it smells like coconut. Like coconut, pineapple maybe. Maybe pineapple. Wow. That's really interesting. It almost tastes like a candy, but it's a cookie. That's so interesting. And it's like green. I don't know if you can see, but it's like green in the middle a little bit. What kind of candy it is, I'm not sure. Oh my god. I oh my gosh, sorry. I think I do know what it is. I don't know if you guys know like that watermelon candy, but it's not the one that's shaped like a triangle. It's kind of shaped like a rectangle. It tastes so much like that green part. That's insane. And that was a cookie. But it tastes like a candy. Ooh. That's crazy. Okay, I want to try this one because it actually looks really delicious. Oh. Oh my gosh. It smells like a ramen noodle. What? Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo, guys. It tastes like a ramen noodle, a beef. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys, when you were younger, used to take like packaged ramen noodles and squish them and put the powder inside and eat them raw. This is exactly what it tastes like. What? Without the mess. And all that salt. That's insane. Like, I like that one. I really like that one. It's probably a rice cake too. I think it's a rice cake. Oh, it's good. I like it. It's good. I really like that. Out of all of them, that one's my favorite. Hands down. Hands down. All right. Let's check this one out. Because it's random and it's just a blob and this huge packaging. I'm nervous. It smells kind of weird. Oh, what is that? Oh. Ugh. No. I don't know what it was. Honestly, don't even know what that was. I don't know what the taste was. I don't know. It just had this weird taste. Like, it didn't taste like candy. It didn't taste like a beet or a raisin or a date. It did not taste like that at all. I don't even know what the hell that taste was. It wasn't sweet. It was not bitter. It was just weird. What did I just put in my mouth? Oh, that was... Oh my gosh. All right. Let's try these little fishy fishies. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That smells like fish. Like a la max. Like fishy, fishy, can't you see? Woo! They weren't joking with this fish on there. They were not joking. A little straw. I mean, it kind of tastes like seaweed. Like, you know those seaweed strips? It reminds me of them. It's not that bad, but really strong fish smell. I think more than the seaweed. Like, that smells on my hand right now. Okay. Interesting. I think I would rather the seaweed though. I find this one's a little more sweeter. I think I would rather the seaweed. It's real fishy smell. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna switch these ones. Because I think that I think it's the same thing. I think I'm going to switch it. I'm actually going to do, look, it looks like oh, it's a Kit Kat. And it's my favorite color. It's matching me. Green. I love it. Let's see. Is it going to be, oh, it's the green tea. The green tea Kit Kat, I think. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. Okay. It's not weird. Not awful. I don't know if I don't think I should have ate the fishies. I think I should have ate the chocolate first and then the fishies. Because I don't know, there's like this weird taste after. Like while you're chewing. But I'm not sure if it's from the fishes or it's the green tea. But it's not bad. Would I go out and buy it? No. I'm happy I tried it. Yeah. But I would not eat a whole chocolate bar of this. This size is fine. If someone gave it to me. No. I'm not sure if I should eat this one too, if it's gonna be the same thing. Let's try these ones. Like a little, oh, you know what it looks like? That crystal candy. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard on my teeth. Eee. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yo, let me only take a few. Let me only take a few. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. That's like those crystal candies. For sure. Nothing special. Let's try the Hello Kitty marshmallow. Okay. Oh, shoot. Look what's inside. It's chocolate. Yummy. Okay. I mean, you don't really taste the marshmallow. If it is marshmallow. You taste the chocolate. I don't know. I don't really like it. The chocolate is not the best either. And the marshmallow doesn't really have any flavor. I'm disappointed. I guess, actually I see, is it, okay, there's like a little picture, illustration of the white thing and the brown thing in the middle, like the chocolate. And then this one I guess is like strawberry. But I'll save that one for another video. Let's try the panda. This one's not I lied. I lied to you. It is broken. I lied. I thought it wasn't. How they put a big box and all that shit and give me broken cookie. Oh, this definitely smells like coconut. Yeah, it's a coconut cookie. Oh! Butter cookie. It says at the bottom. They're both butter cookies, but different. Different taste. Okay, that one tastes like a coconut cookie. Nothing extraordinary, right? All right, rice snacks in Japan. So exciting. Okay, let's try this. So this one's like a peanut, right? And these ones are the rice ones. Mmm. I love these. Mmm. These ones are a little spicy. Got a little kick to them. Oh my gosh, now I want to go buy a big bag of these. They're so much better than chips. I'm not even joking. I'm sure. I'm sure they're even more healthier than chips. I'm more than certain. Because they're rice, like, they're rice snacks. Right? Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna go buy some. Like a big bag of them. Because I don't think I got... I think I only got one. I only got one. That's really disappointing. Here, let me try with the peanut. Not one at a time. Let's try it together. Okay. I find the peanut kind of tones down the spiciness a little bit, but I actually like eating them just by itself. I find it tastes better. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm in love. No more chips for me. Only these rice snacks. Even the peas, eh? Have you guys ever tried like the dried peas with like salted? Oh, they're so good. I like it. Oh, let me try one more. Let me try one more. The one with the piggy on it. I'm scared. Is it gonna taste like pork? A pork stick? A puff? A pork puff? Oh. It's all covered. Let's see. I don't even know. Oh. What is that taste? Here, let me look the... I don't know. It's like beef powder? Pork powder? I don't know. Something like special. Not bad. I'm nervous what it really is. It's probably like... I'm eating stuff that I have no idea what they are besides like the rice snack. But, and the Kitkat because I've heard of it, but it's not that bad. It has a huge like hole in it too, both of them. But if I had to choose between them, obviously, look how small. Obviously, I choose this one. That one's really like fishy. It's a fishy smell. Like if I had to choose between these two though, I'd probably have to say this one because this is just tastes like off a bit with that the fish with the puffiness. I'd rather eat fish like that. That reminds me more of the seaweed, right? So it just seems more normal. More normal. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me and trying different Japanese snacks. Most of them are pretty decent. But yeah, this one is the best. I love it. It's amazing. And yeah, I'm going to be buying a big bag of it. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys liked this video. I will be doing some more. Maybe my next one will be painting. I'm not too sure. Or giving advice. We'll see. I'm very a spontaneous person. So that's what I do. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, email me, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.